Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of a problem where we have 2a square minus 2b square equals to 98, and we need to find the value of a into b, and they have given that both of them are greater than 0. So now what we will do in this kind of a scenario is that we'll first divide the entire equation by what? 2. So we'll get a square minus b square equals to 49, and a square minus b square can be expanded into a plus b into a minus b, right? And 49, we can write it in terms of factors. 49 into 1, and the other one will be what? 7 into 7. Now let's try and take 7 into 7 as the factor. So from here I can say therefore a plus b equals to 7, a minus b equals to 7. Adding the equations, b and b gets cancelled, so I'll have 2a equals to 14. Therefore a equals to 7. When I put it over here, I can say from here b comes out to be 0, and that is not allowed. So from here I can say that this particular factor is a no-no for us. So now let's try and put the other factor in this place. What we'll get is a plus b equals to 49 and a minus b equals to 1. So now when you add them, you get 2a equals to 50. Therefore, a value is coming out to be 25. And when I put this value over here, I can say therefore 25 plus b equals to 49. So b value will be what? 49 minus 25. That comes out to be 24. So we can say that value of a is 25 and value of b is 24. So now in order to find the value of a into b, we just have to do what? 25 into 24, that is coming out to be 600. So you saw how easily you could solve this problem. See students, sometimes looking at the question things become difficult, but just try taking small steps. One step at a time, you will be able to solve this kind of questions literally in 1 minute. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.